Tired of your favorite YouTube videos being scattered like this mess? Let's tidy things up by creating playlists, whether you're on your phone or computer. First, let's tackle the mobile app. Open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Find a video you want to add to a playlist. Underneath the video, you'll see a Save button. Tap it. A menu will pop up to create a brand new playlist. Tap on Create New Playlist. Give your playlist a name, like Workout Jams or Funny Cat Videos. Then, choose your privacy setting. Public means anyone can see it. Unlisted means only people with the link can see it. And private means only you can see it. Select your desired privacy setting, then tap Create. Now, to add more videos, just tap the Save button again on any video and check the box next to the playlist you want to add it to. It's that simple. Alright, computer users, let's switch gears. Open YouTube in your web browser. Find a video you want to add. Below the video, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them. A menu will appear. Click on Save to Playlist. Just like on mobile, to create a new playlist, click on Create New Playlist. Give your playlist a name and select your privacy setting, then click Create. To add more videos, click the 3 dots again, select Save to Playlist, and check the box next to the playlist. Congratulations! You now know how to create playlists on both your phone and computer.